Just in, Google announced a surprise event for August 13th. Just when everyone thought Google had made all its announcements at Google I/O, the Alphabet-owned company revealed a surprise event. Scheduled for August 13 in Mountain View, California, Google is set to make some exciting new announcements. The invitation states that Google will hold a keynote at 10 a.m. PT or 1 p.m. ET, where the company will showcase the best of Google AI, Android software, and the Pixel portfolio of devices. Expected announcements. Tech enthusiasts speculate that Google may unveil two flagship models, the Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro, along with the Pixel Watch 3. This follows last year's release of the Pixel 8, Pixel 8 Pro, and Pixel Watch 2. Additionally, models such as the Pixel Watch 3 XL, Pixel 9 Pro XL, and Pixel 9 Pro Fold are reportedly said to be showcased at the event. At the previous event, Google announced a plethora of artificial intelligence-related features. This year, the company is likely to introduce more innovative features, including Circle to Search, TalkBack, and other advancements.